Intel. For decades, their processors powered the engine of the computing world. From desktops to servers, Intel Inside was a mark of quality, a guarantee of cutting-edge performance. But empires, even those built on lines of code and silicon wafers, can falter. In recent years, the ground has shifted beneath Intel's feet. The once unthinkable has happened. Intel's supremacy is challenged, its future uncertain. A perfect storm of missteps, fierce competition, and missed opportunities has left Intel scrambling to reclaim its former glory. The first cracks in Intel's armor began to appear in the mid-2010 SS. The PC market, Intel's bread and butter, began to stagnate. Smartphones and tablets powered by low-power ARM processors were rapidly becoming the primary computing devices for millions. Intel, slow to adapt to this seismic shift in consumer behavior, clung to its high-margin, high-performance processors, missing the boat on the mobile revolution. Adding to their woes, Intel stumbled in manufacturing. Their once unrivaled ability to shrink transistors and cram more performance onto each chip faltered. The highly anticipated 10-nanometer manufacturing process, crucial for delivering faster, more efficient chips, faced repeated delays. These delays proved costly, giving rivals an opportunity to catch up. Meanwhile, a resurgent AMD, Intel's longtime rival, smelled blood in the water. Armed with innovative designs and a renewed focus on performance, AMD began to eat into Intel's market share, particularly in the lucrative data center market. For years, Advanced Micro Devices (AMD) played second fiddle to Intel, but in a stunning reversal of fortunes, AMD, under the leadership of CEO Lisa Su, has emerged as a formidable force in the semiconductor industry. AMD's resurgence can be attributed to a combination of factors. First, they made a strategic decision to focus on designing high-performance processors based on a modular architecture. This chiplet design, unlike Intel's monolithic approach, allowed AMD to mix and match different components, optimizing for performance and cost. Second, AMD outsourced its manufacturing to Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, a move that proved to be a masterstroke. TSMC's expertise in advanced manufacturing processes allowed AMD to leapfrog Intel in terms of transistor density and power efficiency. This partnership gave AMD access to cutting-edge technology without the burden of managing their own fabrication plants. Third, AMD's leadership, particularly CEO Lisa Su, deserves immense credit for their strategic vision and execution. The smartphone revolution, ushered in by the launch of the iPhone in 2007, fundamentally reshaped the computing landscape. Suddenly, millions of people had powerful computers in their pockets, and these devices were not powered by Intel processors. Intel, deeply entrenched in the PC market, failed to grasp the magnitude of this shift. They underestimated the importance of low-power, energy-efficient processors optimized for mobile devices. Intel did make attempts to enter the mobile market, but their efforts were too little, too late. Their Atom processors, designed for smartphones and tablets, lacked the performance and battery life of competing ARM-based chips. By the time Intel realized the significance of the mobile revolution, the market had already consolidated around ARM's energy-efficient architecture. The smartphone and tablet market exploded, becoming the dominant computing platform for billions of users worldwide. Intel, absent from this massive market, missed out on a generational opportunity for growth. The lost revenue and market share further weakened Intel's position, allowing competitors like ARM and Qualcomm to establish themselves as leaders in the mobile space. Despite the challenges, Intel still possesses significant strengths. One of their most valuable assets is their manufacturing prowess. Intel is one of the few companies in the world with the expertise and infrastructure to design and manufacture advanced semiconductor chips at scale. Recognizing the need to regain its manufacturing leadership, Intel has embarked on an ambitious plan to invest heavily in new fabs and research and development. They are spending billions of dollars to build new manufacturing facilities in the United States and Europe, aiming to reduce their reliance on Asian foundries. Moreover, Intel is aggressively pursuing advanced packaging technologies, such as EMIB and Foveros. If they can regain their manufacturing lead and deliver on the promise of their advanced packaging technologies, they have a fighting chance of reclaiming lost ground. Beyond manufacturing, Intel's future hinges on its ability to reignite its innovation engine. For years, Intel was synonymous with cutting-edge processor design, consistently delivering performance leaps that powered the evolution of personal computing. To reclaim its mantle as an industry leader, Intel needs to foster a culture of innovation and agility, embracing new ideas and challenging the status quo. One area where Intel is focusing its innovation efforts is artificial intelligence, AI. Recognizing the transformative potential of AI, Intel has been investing heavily in developing AI-specific hardware, such as their Nirvana neural network processors. These specialized chips are designed to accelerate AI workloads, enabling breakthroughs in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. Another area of focus for Intel is the development of quantum computing technologies. By fostering innovation in these and other emerging technologies, Intel aims to position itself at the forefront of the next wave of computing. Intel's current predicament is not without precedent in the annals of tech history. The tech industry is littered with stories of once dominant companies that stumbled, fell behind, and then, against all odds, managed to reinvent themselves and stage remarkable comebacks. One such story is that of Apple. In the late 1990s, Apple was on the brink of bankruptcy, its market share dwindling, its products seen as overpriced and out of touch. The return of Steve Jobs as CEO in 1997 marked a turning point. Jobs, with his visionary leadership and unwavering focus on design and user experience, orchestrated one of the most impressive corporate turnarounds in history. Another example is Microsoft. In the early 2000s, Microsoft, under CEO Steve Ballmer, seemed to miss the boat on the rise of the internet and mobile computing. However, under the leadership of Satya Nadella, who took over as CEO in 2014, Microsoft underwent a significant transformation, embracing cloud computing and mobile-first strategy. These stories of resurgence offer a glimmer of hope for Intel. Intel stands at a crossroads. The path ahead is fraught with challenges, but it is also filled with opportunities. The company's legacy of innovation, its vast resources, and its deep bench of engineering talent provide a solid foundation for a comeback. However, success is not guaranteed. Intel must learn from its past mistakes, adapt to the rapidly evolving technological landscape, and execute its strategy with precision and urgency. The coming years will be crucial for Intel. Will Intel rise to the challenge and reclaim its position as a titan of the tech world? Only time will tell. One thing is certain, the story of Intel is far from over. Stay tuned.